Hi, it's Gucci. Today I'm going to show you how I fix my morning face. Redness, puffiness, dark circles. It's a whole plethora of problems that we can help solve. So since I have a lot of different colors going on, I have like quite a bit of redness, my rosacea, super fun. I really want to show you how much nicer it is to really amplify the actual skin rather than make it sort of a flat, non-dimensional surface. So I'm going to use Vital Skin in 1, 2, and 3. And I use the lighter shade, number 1 mixed with 2, kind of getting right close to my eyes. And you can also go straight from the bullet to the skin, which I can show you on the other side. So everybody has different issues. I tend to have these Irish droopy eyes. So the corners are always my issue and I'm constantly trying to pick them up. One day I'll have to put toothpicks in the corners to lift them up when I'm a little bit older. And then I add a little bit of 3 in, and there's no real method. I just kind of see where I need to add some depth and deeper tone. And my forehead is naturally a little bit darker. And I just kind of want to really emphasize that it's not precious and it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. And I'm doing one side at a time to really show you that it isn't some kind of crazy transformation. I'm still maintaining the integrity of my skin, making it smoother. I'm correcting the redness so I can add back some color where I like it. So I'm using all 3 shades. And women tend to like having that dimension, and that's the way I've always done skin. So you still end up looking a bit more like yourself. Kind of the crevice of your nose, nice little T-zone, which people who suffer from rosacea tend to have that little T-zone area, and you kind of have to just pat that area in. So I feel like that side's a bit better. And now I'll do the other side. So again, mainly 1 and 2, right under the eye. And I can also show you kind of like direct from the bullet, but I tend to prefer using the brush because I really love my brushes. But this is also, just a preference. The blendability is so lovely also with the brush, and you get right close to your lashes. And you want to make sure if you have enlarged pores that the makeup doesn't sit on top of your pores and it settles nicely into the skin as opposed to filling those pores, which is not very attractive, which my makeup tends to not do that. I end up adding the lightness to the darker area and to the droopy area to lift the droopy area and to remove the darker area just in the corner here. But to the puffy area, I end up, smoothing over more with the deeper colors. And then I go over that with maybe a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of, my cheek color to not emphasize the puff, because a lighter color is essentially going to draw attention to the puff. But people with darker circles may prefer to add lighter color to a darker circle. So now I feel more awake, I feel smoother, and it took less than 5 minutes. I talked, I messed around. I mean, this would take maybe all of 2 minutes if I did none of that. What do you think? I think it looks better. All right, let's do this.